What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a KDP book cover or a Kindle Direct Publishing and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing book cover using Canva. So let's get right to it. Of course, Canva is a great popular website that you can use to create designs for a number of things. So for now, let's go ahead and start with the process. So first of all, let's go to Canva and then click on create a design, and we will choose a custom size. And here you'll ask to enter the height and the width and the unit. So for us to get the precise size, we'll need to enter the number of pages that you want for your book. So depending on the number of pages, as I will show you later, the design dimensions can vary. So you need to go to a certain website to calculate the exact dimensions of your book cover. So the easiest way is to go to Google here and to search for KDP Amazon book cover template and choose this result here, the KDP cover calculator. Click on it. Here you'll need to enter your book information. So the binding type, let's choose paperback, or you can choose hardcover. For us, let's choose paperback right here. The interior type, black and white. Paper size, white. Page turn direction, left to right. Measurement unit, you can choose millimeters. However, for this tutorial, I'll choose inches. Now, the interior trim size, you can choose the trim size or the margins. The 5 by 9 inches is the smallest. However, let's go for 6 by 9. The page count. Now, that's very important that for you to enter the exact number of pages that are in your book. So for this example, let's say my book is 300 pages, okay? And now click on calculate dimensions. They'll calculate your dimensions here, the dimensions for your book, the cover width and height. So let's copy these values, the width, copy it and paste it in the width here in Canva, and then copy the height value and then paste it in Canva. Now, don't worry about the other dimensions here, as we will take care of that in a moment. However, let's go to Canva and then select the unit is in inches. Make sure it's okay, we didn't copy it right. So let's type it in manually. So 12.926. Okay, 12.926, and for the height 9.25. So 9.25. Okay, now let's create. Okay, make sure the numbers are the same. Okay, now let's create a new design. Now Canva will create a new custom layout design exactly with the size that you entered, and we need to add elements. However, we will want to go back again to the KDP calculator, and then we want to download the template so that we will upload it to Canva in order to get the elements in the right space. So in the front cover, the back cover, or this space in the middle. Now, this space in the middle, highlighted or indicated by the number 7, is the width of this segment will be indicated by the number of your pages. So the more pages you have, the thicker this segment or this part will be. So it's pretty important that you enter the right number of pages. So for now, let's download the templates. Okay, click on download. And now it is downloaded right here. So let's open it. Okay. So now we want to extract it. So let's say extract to the desktop, for example. So to my desktop. Okay. And now extract it, and also extract the PNG. They give you in PDF and in PNG. So we will extract both to the desktop. Okay. And now once we extracted them, we want to go ahead to Canva and then here to the design page and click on upload right here. And we want to upload file, or go to the desktop and then view the paperback or the template that we extracted. Now, want to go and get the PNG one, not the PDF, and then go back to Canva and drop it right here, or we can click on upload file. Now the file is being uploaded to Canva, and now once it uploads, okay, I can drag it right here and then expand it to the right, so it fills the frame at all the template. We created it with the same size, so it should fit perfectly. Now let's add a background. So we'll go here to elements and search for a background. Of course, you can search for any type of background that you want. So for us, let's search for background. You can search for photos of like ocean background, like ocean, desert, and so on. So here, let's choose to see the graphic. So, okay, let's say I like this photo. So I'll click on it, and then I'll just drag it here to fill in all the page right here. And now we want to decrease the transparency so we can see the cutouts spaces more clearly. And you can click on edit photo to edit like the color type, the blurriness, and so on. So let's increase the blurriness a bit here, so because it's like a background. Okay, and now let's go back. Let's add a text in this part right here where the pages should be. So this represents the thickness of the book. Let's add a text element. Let's add a little bit of body text. So let's enter the name. So my first awesome book, and we can choose here. Okay, select it, and we can move it as we want, and we can also highlight the text and choose the font. So let's choose like an attractive font. Okay, this one looks okay. Okay, this one looks better, and let's increase the size a bit. Let's increase the font size. And here you can click on this icon and drag to rotate it to a 90-degree angle. Okay, looking good. Now let's move it right in here. And this will be our text on the this segment right here. Now let's add elements. So in the elements, let's say our book is on like bodybuilding. So let's search for body builder. Okay, enter. Okay, we couldn't find anything, so let's search for gym. Okay, now I like this one, the silhouette of a muscle guy, or this element looks good. Now a workout, a couple working out, so let's drag it right here, and the size looks good. Okay, we can click on edit image here to edit like the color or the style here, so make it like edit the color. So let's here click on this. Okay, we don't like it. Actually, it looks good as it is, so let's leave it as it is. Now we can add another element. So hit gym again. I want to add this like dumbbell icon to the back of the book, and let's decrease the size a bit. And we can also click on edit photo, edit image, to like edit like style as I want to. However, I think it looks good as it is. Now let's add a book title. Back to the text again. Now this time a heading. So let's type in, for example, gym life. Okay, let's highlight it. Let's okay, now let's go back up, and I like this font. Okay, we used it. Now let's use this one. Okay, let's choose another one. This one looks good. Now Let's increase the size a bit because this is the title. Okay, we can highlight the text again. We want to move this to the middle here. Okay. Now this looks good. Actually, let's change the font. Let's make it this one. I like it. Okay. Now, here we want to go ahead and we edit it like the position, the rotation. We can here edit the layers if we want to. Okay, let's title it here, and let's make the title like a bluish, actually like a greenish color. Okay, looking good. And here in the transparency, let's decrease transparency. Or so this is how our book cover will look like. We can add as many elements and text as we want to, and then you can export or download this image and set it as your book cover. So this is how you can design a KDP book cover in Canva.